Keep rust away from iron and steel products with our list of the best rust removers. Rust slowly attacks these metals, and without the right resources for protection, some precious objects at your home can face damage. Rusted objects will eventually wear away with time. If you're facing an issue with rust, high-quality rust removers can help you eradicate it or prevent it from recurring. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best rust remover in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Evaporist Super Safe Rust Remover. If you are looking for an environmentally friendly, water-based product that removes rust within minutes, consider the Evaporist Super Safe Rust Remover. This non-toxic and non-corrosive solution emits no fumes or foul odor and is safe for the skin and eyes. You can get rid of rust without scrubbing or sanding and without wearing any special protective gear, such as gloves or eye masks. It does not harm unrusted steel, nor does it affect plastic, PVC, VTIN, and most paints. This disposable remover is safe to use on cast iron cookware, grill grates, antiques, tools, auto parts, clocks, sewing machines, toys, and so much more. Number 2. Quickway Quigalo Rust Remover. The Quigalo Rust Remover is a superior eco-friendly cleaner that acts as a rust remover and a metal polish. The original formula, which dates back to 1957, works great on hard surfaces such as chrome, brass, stainless steel, sinks, glass, white walls, and pretty much anywhere heavy oxidation or rust is present. Free of any harmful fumes, this water-based product can safely be used without gloves. The remover uses pumice instead of sand or other harsher mediums that break down more quickly to gently polish and clean the surface. Additionally, you can save time as this polish and wax combination forms a protective barrier from future harm or oxidation for up to 1 year. Number 3. WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover Soak. The WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover Soak is ideal for dissolving rust and restoring old metal parts. This non-toxic soak is composed of biodegradable ingredients that help old metal parts look new without involving any scraping, scrubbing, or chipping. Designed with industrial strength quality and an extreme penetration feature, this solution helps you tackle stubborn rust safely and effectively. It is suitable for use on auto restoration parts, tractors, antiques, farm equipment, trailers and hitches, and rusty tools. Number 4. Star Bright Rust Stain Remover. If you're looking for an easy-to-use rust spray, the Star Bright Rust Stain Remover is a good choice. It works great for cleaning corrosion stains caused by metal hardware, nuts, bolts, and other marine fittings. The stain remover is specially formulated for marine and RV use and is also ideal for sprinkler rust stains. Without any scrubbing or rubbing involved, the formula works when in contact with the stains by dissolving the oxidation. Number 5. Workshop Hero Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. If you are looking for an alternative to sandblasting, the Workshop Hero Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath has got to be your pick. It is easy to use and does not require scrubbing, dipping, brushing, or other agitation. Depending on the severity of the rust, You can soak the affected area between 5 and 24 hours, and you will notice a visible difference without compromising on mechanical properties. This rust remover contains no acids and caustics and is non-toxic. It can be disposed of without causing any disruptions in drains and sewer systems. That was our list of the top 5 best rust remover in 2023 just for you.